Mike Hagee, Pridemore Properties, powered by Compass. Everyone wants to know what the ROI is, right? Return on investment. How do we maximize that in today's landscape? There is no inventory out there, so it doesn't matter what you do, right? No. The reason it's important in today's market is the buyer wants to finance a turnkey property. They don't have to do anything. And I cannot tell you the amount of times that an under $10,000 set of repairs can maximize the home's value. So Mike, what type of flooring should I put in? What type of paint should I use? Every house is unique, but there are some generalities. Neutral paint colors, neutral flooring. Curb appeal is when a buyer shuts their door. They've already made a predetermination of the neighborhood, the location, the neighbors, and the way the home presents just by simply walking through the front door. So things like fresh mulch and flowers, things like a fresh coat of paint and new caulking, all of those things matter because it sets the tone for how the buyer perceives the care of the home. Compass Concierge is a very unique program within the Compass framework that allows us to front load the cost of any home improvement that you could make, including staging, deep cleaning, flooring, paint, handyman services, repairs, etc., with upfronting the cost being billed upon closing with no interest. That's right, no interest. We front load the cost. Compass Concierge, unique to Compass, is a very specific program and one of the things we're so excited about because if you're looking for a way to maximize your home's value, you found it. Mike Hagee with Pridemore Properties, powered by Compass. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it useful. Please give a call if you have any questions. I'd love to be of service throughout the home selling process.